A living legend of Kathak, Birju Maharaj, who had been diagnosed with kidney disease a few days ago and put on dialysis, died at his home late on Sunday. He was 83. Maharajji, as he was popularly known, was said to be playing with his grandsons when his health unexpectedly deteriorated, requiring him to be rushed to the hospital when he died of a heart attack. A recipient of the country's second highest civilian honor, Padma Vibhushan, Maharajji was also a lifelong Kathak guru as well as a talented Hindustani classical singer and percussionist. He will be remembered by cinema buffs for the two-period dance sequences in Satyajit Ray's historical drama Shatranj Ke Khiladi and for the Kahe Chhede Mohe track picturized on Madhuri Dixit's in the 2002 version of Devdas. Maharajji won the National Award for choreographing Unnai Kandu Naan in the Kamal Hassan multilingual mega hit Vishwarupam and the Filmfare Awards for the Bajirao Mastani number Mohe Rang Dulal. Adnan Sami, one of the first artists to pay his tribute to the doyen of Kathak, said in a tweet, "Extremely saddened by the news about the passing away of legendary Kathak dancer Pandit Birju Maharajji. We have lost an unparalleled institution in the field of performing arts. He has influenced many generations through his genius. May he rest in peace." Another early tribute came from Union Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, who tweeted, "Pandit Birju Maharajji was a doyen of India's art and culture. He popularized the Lucknow Gharana of Kathak dance from around the world. His passing away is monumental loss to the world of performing arts." Birju Maharaj was the son of exponent of Lucknow Gharana Jagannath Maharaj, better known as Achan Maharaj, whom he lost when he was just 9. His uncles were the renowned Shambhu Maharaj and Lachu Maharaj. He taught at the Shri Ram Bharti Kala Kendra and Sangeet Natak Akademi, Kathak Kendra, both in Delhi, from where he retired as director in 1998.